All right, good morning, everyone. My name is Michael Rowe. I'm here from Toyota, and thank you for this opportunity to share. What I hope to do this morning is to communicate a couple key points to all of you. One is a few years ago, and I realize a few years might sound like a long time, but in Toyota terms, a few years is actually really short. We started a new effort in order to license out our technologies to outside companies. We've never really done this in the past very much. And to give you a concept of that, we, in the US alone, get issued over 2,000 patents a year. So there is massive amounts of technology out there that we are looking for business partners to move forward on. So that's one of my main responsibilities actually within the company. And so today I'm going to talk a little bit about that opportunity. That is basically an opportunity more or less open to all of yourselves. And then move into some of the patent portfolios and examples of that technology that might not necessarily make sense to you, like why is he presenting this to me? These are things that allow you to either feed into that technology when you're working with one of your customers, or to take it directly and see a new way, because these are what we consider core technologies that can be spread out in many, many different formats and functionalities. And that's why we're saying beyond automotive. There's nothing wrong with these technologies necessarily that, with regards to the fact that like Toyota isn't offering it in a car today or something like that. It just means that we haven't necessarily found our product line we're moving forward yet, or we're on some development cycle, but we still want an opportunity to partner and work with all of you in that capacity. I'm stationed out in North America with my team. We have two main footprints. One is up in Ann Arbor, Michigan. That's near Detroit. That's where our research and development center is. And then we have everything there from material engineering, vehicle evaluation, and design in that respect. I have three amazing project managers that work for me there: Aaron Rutledge, Jamie Moore, and Peter Kapongi. So their role is actually working with different engineering teams within Toyota and outside partner companies in order to bring technology forward for a business environment and commercialization. The director of IP Solutions, Intellectual Property Solutions, is Fred Mao. He's also our lead counsel for North American Intellectual Property, and he's stationed in business development and corporate legal down in Plano, Texas. That's just near Dallas, Texas, and that's our North American corporate headquarters. All three of these facilities are quite large, as you would probably imagine, but I always like to go through this a little bit because most people never really actually know where Toyota is and what we're really doing a lot of times. How does this property licensing process work? We first bring forward internal research. Toyota spends over $1 million per hour every day of the year on R&D. That's a global aggregated number. It's a massive number. We do everything from infrastructure development to customer experience, to human-machine interface, to new materials, research. If you ever actually walk through our R&D lab facilities, you'd think you're in some major research university, actually. That's how it looks and operates. Our advanced research division actually has over 70 PhDs on staff that are working out of laboratories environments just to come up with that new technology. My team then assembles business-ready patent portfolios, identify external partners, that would be individuals like yourself in that respect, establish license agreement, facilitate a tech transfer. Once we have a license agreement, my success, your success, we're all in this together. So my KPI directly relates to everyone winning out there, and then support of that success. This is a lesson slide that my team likes to see me have in there sometimes, and I personally love it. We respect the fact that getting something down to product is really hard, takes a long time, and never ever goes as planned. We're flexible, get that, okay? Just to reassure everyone in that capacity. Now, let's talk about some example technologies that I think actually somebody in this room would probably be interested in that way. We'd like to pick a target that lasts forever, because it can take 3 to 5 years to actually bring something to market. And we have market insights, consumer insights internally. We like to leverage that up. And one thing we were picking as a target is everyone loves massage, okay? Never going to go away. It's been around for thousands of years, and all of our market insights tell us that it's going to only go up. So we brought forward shape memory alloy wire. We spent over 5 years in our research division working with SMA wire. Now, SMA wire has actually been around for like 80 years or more, okay? But you really are challenged to find a product that actually uses it. It's not because it's too expensive. It's actually it's on the higher side, but it's reasonably cost effective. The only market product that I'm aware of is actually the hot pots that boil your water in your hotel room, especially when I'm in Japan.